Hi guys, uh, I'm a high school student and I'm just trying to do my best drawing. So, yeah, just follow my journey to see more. Here I'm drawing a bird and a cage, and bird just gets free from the cage. It was really interesting. This idea I had by this idea is by my follower, which I'm really happy about because this idea was incredible. Like, can you see me drawing this? It was so interesting, and thinking about this meaning of this drawing, like the meaning is just getting free, getting to do what you want, how you want, when you want, and it's just incredible. It just it just gave me a lot of things to think about, which I'm really happy to do, and I did it like I I haven't speeded up this video so you can see how long does it takes for me to draw it, and still I don't think I did everything I did with this painting. So yeah, the thing is I can spend, I haven't posted in a while, so I can spend a lot of time doing it because I just don't have time for this, which is really sad, but it's the reality, and soon I might get in a job. I might be getting a job, so I'll have much, much fewer time for YouTube. But the thing I will do is definitely some new things, like my passion is architecture, and I dream of becoming an architect and just studying architecture. So the thing I will be doing is just like, making a lot of architectural drawings, because I think it's really important for my future, so I can draw it faster, draw it better. And as you know, if you practice a lot, you get much better quicker. So yeah, I'm just happy about this experience. As you see here, I'm using watercolors, which is really, like, I don't know, incredible. I love using watercolors. I can't use it properly, but I'm trying to do this, and I know that like architects, they don't draw with watercolors or whatsoever. So I want to try everything that I want try, like uh when I study while I study in at the university. So yeah, I also have a lot of books about art, so maybe you're also interested, like analyzing something like that, or talking about something like that, or me just drawing drawings by some really cool and famous artists. I can do this. I have, I think, some books from the middle ages art, which is like some Italian masters, and I'm really happy about it. I am really happy to have these books and to read them, and also maybe to just share my experiences and new knowledge, so you can also do this on your own. I have to say, like, it's been 5 minutes now, and the video lasts about 16 minutes, and it's really strange to get into this format where I just have to talk a lot, because I have a lot of things to talk about, to say to just just share, but unfortunately I don't have this. I don't know, it's just unusual. Yeah, it's just unusual for me to talk, and maybe you have some questions, so I can answer it while I'm drawing because obviously, like, talking 16 minutes, I have no idea what I should talk about. So I think it would be helpful for me to just have these questions you ask me about. The new thing I want to make is just like drawing my drawings for the channel in 30 minutes. Why? Because I don't have much more time, and when I have to just post every day, because, like, otherwise it's just harder to to just get followers or views. And I'm really appreciating, like, growing of my followers. Like, we all becoming are becoming a big community of people who are interested in art. I think it's really cool, don't you think so? And yeah, I'm just happy we're growing now. But the thing is, I have to post constantly. I have to think about things that my followers like. Uh, the hardest thing about this is just, like, sometimes you ask me to draw something I haven't even seen in my life. So I just have to Google it. I have to watch a lot of things about it, and then I have to spend like 2 hours drawing it. And I want to change it, because obviously it's really hard for me to get all these things, and especially, like, talking about my school and my work, and I'm just really really full of stuff now. So I just want to to make something that makes me happy, and way 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 easier for me to do. And also, what I want you to say, it's not like you have to fear you'll ask something I'm really happy to do something new, but apparently my followers now aren't so, I don't know, like, really passionate about seeing things. And I also want to say, like, really a few do look up my long videos like this. Yeah, usually my long videos are like 5 minutes or 6 minutes. This one is bit longer, but yeah, I'm just sometimes so upset about, like, really to film this video. It takes me like a lot of time, and then editing it, then talking it. Like, you can imagine, only the 1/4 of the hour it just takes for me to just talk to you, to voice the video. So yeah, and imagine me getting something wrong. It just, yeah, it's really hard. And also the thing I want to share with you, like you can see that the filming is not like the best. Usually I have a thing uh, to just film it. I'm filming all of my videos on my phone, so but this time I hadn't the ability to take this kind of things that I can uh, that I can just lean on my phone. So I had to just to hold it with my hand. It was quite a challenge because imagine holding your phone like this, and you draw like for 5 minutes straight, and it doesn't always look the best because I just don't have the uh, the camera or the really good stuff to do this, but I'm trying, and I hope you appreciate my my yeah my time and my resources, so you understand that it might not be always the best. Thank you so much for this. So how to support me, support my drawing, my beginnings, my channel. It's pretty easy. Like the first thing you should do is just express your opinion. Don't be just uninterested. You have to help me. Like, you don't have to, you can help me by writing your opinion, or something like this. If you have some tips, if you have some I don't know, recommendations, suggestions, you can write everything to me. Oh, here you can see. Just I did really bad, and I had to cover it up. To be honest, I'm just so upset because, like, in real life the drawing is much more colorful, and here you can see just yeah the clips that are just so so colorful, unsatisfying. I'm really sad about it, but unfortunately I also want to do one challenge. Like, I have one pencil and I just want to see what this pencil can do. Like, I want to get to like as much drawings as I can from this pencil. And also a challenge that I have fortunately finished is my 100 eyes challenge. The thing is, I had to draw 100 eyes, and I did it. I really did it. So maybe in a few days you'll see new video of me just showing you the 100 eyes challenge. Oh, and now I'm doing the background, which was like really the hardest thing to do because I can't do backgrounds, especially with watercolor, because it's just getting like you have to do it on the wet paper, obviously, but with the time it just dries out, and these parts I've painted uh, in the first place are dry now, so it just creates this unsatisfying parts that aren't really beautiful. But still, I like this drawing. I like how it got, and I hope you like it too. If you like it, write me in the comments. If you don't, also write me in the comments so I know that it's bad. And suggest me more ideas because I need you guys to just have some inspiration. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm so appreciating you. Bye.